little update video for you guys. As you could probably tell, my voice sounds kind of messed up. I've been feeling a little bit under the weather, so I thought I'd just do a little tour of the garage and give you an update on a few of the things that I'm working on. It's freaking cold in here, by the way. Got the PJs on. PJ day. Anyways, yeah, just give you a little update on what you guys can look forward to. I think a few days ago, I added some plans for these arrows here. So yeah, these plans are available for the paid members. And I've been on kind of an arrow kick lately. So I've been working on some more designs for larger versions of this one with maybe some different chevron pieces coming off the back here. And I also started working on this style of arrow here, which I will eventually have templates for as well. Oops, there we go. And this is kind of interesting. I was going for something different. That's been kind of my goal lately, is trying to do things that no one else is doing. I know arrows are pretty basic in general, but anyways, haven't seen any like this. But for the shaft here, I thought maybe I could use some driftwood or something, or any sort of random branches. I think this might look kind of cool when it's done. I will probably just drill some holes in there and do kind of like a little tenon joint in there. Oops, there we go. And then I will probably add some detail on here with my grinder. Kind of how I did those little Christmas trees the other day. Oh man, I don't know how this is gonna sound. Hopefully my microphone is picking up on my weird voice here. Anyhow, the other project that I'm working on is this. Now, I'm not sure if you guys are going to be into this or not, but this is for making a 5-point star, a beveled 5-point star out of cardboard and toilet paper and tissue paper. I know, weird, right? This is my trial. I haven't built a full one yet, but every once in a while I get comments from people like, hey, I don't got any power tools. How am I supposed to make these wooden stars that you make? Or maybe some more sarcastic comments like, well, it must be nice to have all those tools. And I get it. But what I'm trying to do here is to show people that there are other options. To show people that there are other options when it comes to making and creating and the DIY world. And, you know, where there's a will, there's a way, right? So if you don't have power tools, this could be an option for you, and I think it will work. I sorted out all the angles so that when I add the bevel, all these pieces should fit together perfectly to make a really nice beveled star. And the texture on the finish here is actually pretty cool. So basically I just do like a paper mache finish on top. First layer is toilet paper that I kind of purposely wrinkle up. And then I cover it with red tissue paper. You could use any color, really. And then I put a varnish on top of it. And let me try to get some better lighting here. I don't know if that's helping or not, but there we go. I feel like it's a really neat looking finish. Anyhow, I know it's not wood, but just thought I'd let you guys know. And I'm not sure. I only have one video on YouTube about the 8-point star. It's kind of long and convoluted. And I think I could make a better video. So what do you guys think? Should I make another video of an 8-point star? And I think I might make it out of 2x4 instead of 1x4. Yeah, anyways, those are my thoughts right now. When my cold goes away, hopefully I'll have more energy to tackle all these and yeah, try to get them done before Christmas. All right, so yes, what else can I say? I took this downtime as an opportunity to clean my garage, and it's actually looking pretty good. I normally always have my miter saw open and set up over here, but I decided it might be nice to just be able to have an actual spot for it to tuck away in there. So yeah, there we go. Little update for you. Small shop, 11 by 11. That's all I'm working with here. And it is cold. By the way, thank you for all the people that paid for membership. I am blown away. I'm amazed. I am really grateful. I'm going to try to keep producing some content for you guys. And if there's anything specific that you're looking for, let me know in the comments. And yeah, I'll try to see if there's a common theme among what people want and tackle that. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm not on camera because I look disgusting right now, but yeah, we'll see you next time. All right. Peace.